Good morning, friends. Today we will learn how to schedule an assignment in the Google Classroom. Using the assignment options, we can take a class test, do the correction of the notebooks, as well as revise a particular lesson. Giving revision exercises. So let's begin. Firstly, you need to prepare your assignment in a PDF form. Then select the assignment you want to post in the classroom. Select the share option. Then you need to share it as an attachment. Convert it into a PDF form. Then it will give you various options where you want to share it. Select the classroom. Then you need to select the classroom. Like it's written class 6th D. I want to schedule my assignment in class 8th A, B, C, D. So I will select that. Then I will select create assignment. The following page will appear on your screen with your assignment already attached to it. Just give the title as SST assignment. Give the description to the students regarding the test or what they are supposed to do. Then if it is an exam, you can also give them points. If you don't want to give them points, you can make it unmarked and save it. Due date, you need to select the date on which you want your exam or assignment to appear. So like that, I am selecting 10th. Then time, you can select the time. Like I'm selecting 12:30. Now the students can give their assignments on 10th till 12:30 only. After that, if anybody is submitting, they can submit, but it will be written as late work. Then in the topic, you can give SST assignment. Save it. Following options will appear in front of your PDF. Students can view, students can edit, make a copy for each student, delete. Select students can view. And finally, you need to schedule. As you click on schedule, following date and time will appear. You need to change that 10th August again. Then the timing, I will start my exam at 9:30 AM. Once you fill the date and time, you may schedule, and your assignment is posted in the classroom. Similarly, we can do the notebook correction using the assignment option of the classroom. Just select classroom, select the particular class, then go to the classwork option. A plus sign will appear. Select the plus sign and the following options will appear on your screen: assignment, question, material, topic, reuse, post. Select assignment. Just give the title of the notebook you want to check. Give the description which chapters they need to attach. They can attach the PDF file. Then it's assessment. If you are giving marks, you can enter the how many marks, otherwise unmarked, and save it. Due date, you can give as 8th August, the next day, or say 10th August. Time is optional. You want to give or you don't want to give, it's up to you. Then topic is correction. Done. And you can schedule for 10th August. That's all, dear friends. I hope now you will be able to give assignments and do the notebook correction easily. Thank you.